Another tip to improve your English is that write true or interesting incidents or experiences. They can be your experiences or someone else's. Like uncle, auntie, mother, father, brother, sister, neighbor, friend. Hello everyone, this is Leena Moon. In case you like me and my video, make sure subscribe to my channel and you hit the bell icon so that you can notified every time I post a new video. Remember, no boring definition and essay writing. You have to follow 3 steps which I will share with you. If you have difficulty writing in English, you can write in your mother tongue also, such as Hindi, Telugu, Marathi. Step number 2, translate with the help of Hindi English app. Hindi English app. Or a lot of apps are available which translates your language into English. Now, step number 3. Practice telling them to your family and friends. If you are writing about a topic that is not worth telling to anyone, you don't need to worry. You can tell your story to yourself. Just what will you have to do? You have to stand in front of the mirror. Let me give you one example of it. Some incidences happened in our life and shattered everything. You must write down about that incidents. Or sometimes we feel that we are very lucky because we escape from difficult situation without making so much effort. By chance, God came to help us in different attire. I wrote about such an incident. My topic name is Lucky. I consider myself very lucky. This is my true story that I am going to share with you. Believe me, I don't like cooking up stories. This is my story when I was a kid. I was 3 years old little girl. I almost started talking. One day, it was a morning time, my next door girls came to my house and asked me to come in the garden to play with them. I was so pleased. In that excitement, I didn't ask my parents' permission. I took up one bag in my hand and went after those girls. As we reached in the garden, we all started playing. But what happened after some time? All girls ran away. I was alone there, nobody with me. They left me alone there. I was looking for such faces that I could recognize them. Finally, I came out of the garden and started walking along the road. I was searching for my house but didn't remember the way back. There was a question how to reach home. On the other hand, I wasn't at home. Meanwhile, my parents asked two neighbors about me whether they saw me playing anywhere. They kept searching me on and on but couldn't find me anywhere. All became panicky. My mother was in bad state. Neighbors also helped my parents to find me. That they took out their vehicles and go outside and find me. But still they couldn't find me. When they tired of searching me, my father decided to file a police complaint against missing child. My condition was deteriorating due to hunger and thirst. I was so thirsty. A man who was wearing a turban on his head was passing by on his bike. He saw me crying as well as walking alone along the road. He had no doubt that she must be a missing child. He stopped his bike and approached me and started asking me so many questions. What is your name? Where do you live? But I was unable to give answer of a single question as I was so scared. He assured me, you don't need to worry, I am here to help you. As if I couldn't tell him anything about my identity, so he decided to take me to the police station. He asked me to sit on his bike and finally we reached to the police station. I was hungry and thirsty too. Cops offered me food. I still remember having chapati with brinjal curry, rice. I got food, that means one problem is solved, but still had to solve another problem. The second problem was to solve who are the parents of this girl. When my father reached the police station, what he saw, it was a miracle. He was surprised to see that I am just standing in front of him. Finally, my father came to rescue me and God in the attire of a man. Really, I am so lucky that I came out of difficult situation easily. I believe this video is going to help you a lot. I really think it will work for you because it did work for me. And what's wrong in a try? I think I'm right. You should at least give it a try. Let me know in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. I will be back with another lesson. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.